Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 13th. The last video that I did on these pepper plants was back on Valentine's Day, so that was February the 13th, so it's basically a month ago, and I didn't realize that I hadn't done any update videos, but I just wanted to come back for a very fast one and just show you the progress. These plants are doing amazingly well. So both of these are under my LED grow lights. They're getting 16 hours of light per day, and then the lights go off. I actually have two little USB fans that are also giving a little bit of air on these, just to simulate being outside. So I just wanted to show you inside. Some really nice roots going on. And since the last video also, I've covered these with foil just to try to keep the solution from going green, with algae. But look at the growth on these. The only thing I think I might have done differently is probably not used a 2-inch net cup, and I probably should have gone, with a 3-inch. But yeah, I'm amazed, because this is my really first kind of jump into hydroponics. So I am very impressed. Let's look at the other one. And I am still using that solution. So there's only that solution in there with the nutrients, the, what's it called? AeroGarden, which I just showed in a previous video. I think I put that up yesterday. Let's look at the roots on this one. Oh yeah, so you can see I started this one in a 3-inch net cup, and this one here is 2. But there we go, yeah. So I just wanted to do a really fast video on these. Amazing, considering that this is all done inside. It just blows me away, like how much success that I'm having, my first time around. And then I've got this pak choi or bok choy, which is coming along really well. I actually broke off one of the leaves last night and tried it, and I was just like, oh, this is good. But anyway, there we go, yeah. So that one there, coming along very nicely. You can see how green the leaves are. It blows me away, hydroponics, because, like I said, it's the first time I've done this. So, if you're afraid of getting into something like this, don't be afraid. Get into it. It is fun. And if you don't have these little, mason jars and the little tops, you can do it all just from scratch, from stuff from your recycle bin. And I do have a video on that where I took a sour cream container and a yogurt container, and I basically turned that into this. And I'll just bring that in right now so you can see it. So there we go. So this is all nice and fancy, but look at this. Just all free stuff using a yogurt container. And look at the nice little roots going on there. And that there is a little baby marigold. Anyway, so back to these. Amazing. And these here were started off just from seeds that I had taken out of a pepper that we had just bought at the grocery store. So this is a mystery green pepper plant, because I have no clue if they are green, if they are red or yellow. I have no clue. But anyway, it's going to be a good surprise, when they start producing. So anyway, so that's it. Really fast one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.